Most people think starting a real business in Nigeria means quitting your job, renting a shop, or having millions of naira. But the truth is, some of the most profitable businesses can be started quietly as a side hustle. One of them is palm oil business. You don't need to leave your job, you don't need a shop, and you don't need to be rich. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to start palm oil business in Nigeria, even if you are busy with work or school. Palm oil is one of the few businesses in Nigeria where demand never drops. People eat every day, restaurants cook every day, families cook every day. No matter the economy, palm oil is always in demand. Unlike online businesses where trends change, palm oil is a physical product with real buyers. You don't need marketing skills. You don't need social media. As long as people are eating, palm oil will keep selling. To start palm oil business as a side hustle, you don't need complicated equipment. You only need 5 basic things. First, small capital. You can start with as low as 50,000 naira and grow from there. Second, containers. This can be jerry cans, gallons, or one small drum. Third, storage space. Even a corner in your house is enough. Fourth, a phone and WhatsApp to communicate with buyers. And finally, a transport contact. Someone with a bike or small bus you can call when you need delivery. No shop, no office, just simple setup. Most beginners make one big mistake. They buy palm oil from city markets where prices are already high. If you want to make real profit, you must go closer to the source. The best places to buy palm oil are rural markets, palm oil mills, and village middlemen. These are people who buy directly from farmers and processors. Even if you live in the city, you can travel once on a weekend, build relationships, and keep buying from the same suppliers. That's how real traders get cheaper prices. You don't need to open a shop to sell palm oil. The easiest way is to sell to people who already buy every week. These include food vendors, small restaurants, market women, neighbors, churches, and event caterers. The smartest method is to pre-sell. Find buyers first, collect orders, then go and buy what they need. This way, you reduce risk and avoid keeping too much stock. You don't need to quit your job to run palm oil business. You can manage it with your free time, buy on weekends, store at home, deliver in the evenings, use WhatsApp to take orders, accept bank transfers. Many traders run this business quietly while working 9 to 5. The business works for you even when you are at work. Palm oil business is profitable, but beginners make mistakes that reduce profit. One common mistake is buying poor quality oil that smells bad or is mixed with water. Another mistake is not measuring properly and losing money in small quantities. Poor storage can also spoil oil, and trusting the wrong supplier can lead to losses. If you avoid these mistakes, your profit stays consistent. Once you master the basics and start making steady profit, the next step is growth. Reinvest your profits into buying in bulk. Move from jerry cans to full drums. Over time, you can add other food products like gari, rice, or beans. This is how many small traders become full distributors. What started as a side hustle slowly becomes a real business. The goal is not just extra income, but financial freedom.